Today we're going to take a look at Meggison starting at that point and headed south along Meggison southeast, going into the St. Catherine Citrus Grove area where the two new golf courses, Live Oak and Laurel Oak. It's a championship course. Those are the two 9-hole courses. So this is in the middle of Meggison, pretty much between Brownwood and Warm Springs Avenue, just southeast of Lake Okahumpka, looking north from the Turnpike area and right before Warm Springs Avenue. They're working on this area. You can see it's going to be a little housing area. They're getting ready to put in the piping. Doing a lot of work in this area. There's a lot of construction or dump trucks going back and forth along Meggison. This is Meggison here, right in the middle. And then you have the golf cart path on the right, Turnpike on the left, and on the left, top left there, you can see Everglades Softball Complex and the village of Linden. This is looking west along Meggison. The last video we did is that brown spot right up there where they have the Richmond putting course along with the Water Lily Bridge, Lake Okahumpka in that top right corner. And then as we span, you're going to see Continental Country Club right there. And then you can turn and see Hawkins and the areas that we're about to take a look at right up here. So here's the construction up in St. Catherine that's going on. This is all to the north of Meggison, and you can see Meggison right there that the dump trucks are on with the loop or the roundabout. Those dump trucks are hauling dirt in and out all the time. These are the two golf courses, 9-hole courses, which make up the championship Sawgrass Grove course. We've gone over this rec center so many times. I'm sure we'll go over it a little more as it gets closer to completion. But you have Live Oak and Laurel Oak. And then the Bexley Bridge is in the background there also. Or it's not there yet, but that's where it will be. That is the Turnpike going kind of northeast to southeast, or northwest to southeast, sorry. That whole area on the other side of the Turnpike is where they're doing the new construction, or will be starting the new construction for the Continuing the Dream, where the health center will be. They have several golf courses coming in on the other side, which we'll do an update on a little bit later during the summer. I believe this area is called the Case and Hammock. This housing area that we're flying over right now that they're going to be building soon. And that'll be right in the middle of the golf course in Meggison. So you can see there's a long ways to go from Brownwood, because you can see Richmond putting course up in the background there where the Water Lily Bridge is also. And it's about a 9-mile cart ride from Brownwood to Chitty Chatty. So I'd say this is probably pretty similar to that 9 miles, because you're not turning to go north through Bradford. We're going to flip and take a look at the north side here, and you're going to see Hawkins, Bradford, and St. Catherine. Beyond Bradford is Chitty Chatty and that Chitty Chatty Bridge. You can't really see it in the picture, but that's it. And then as we go east here, this is all of St. Catherine. So we've done several videos on that. Citrus Grove is going to be coming up here, and then we're going to be flying to the east over Laurel and Live Oak, looking toward where Meggison is actually headed. There's Citrus Grove. Meggison goes all the way past 470, and we'll take a look at that in the next video. As always, hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, give us a thumbs up and a subscribe. From your favorite drone pilot in the villages, we will see you in the next one.